The defendant, facing criminal trespass after being discharged from LBJ Hospital and returning hours later, could have faced up to 6 months in jail. But Judge Fleischer chooses a different path: compassion, clarity, and a second chance.
I'm so happy that you made it here.
Okay.
I'm so proud of you. Great job for showing up. Really.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good job. All we ask you to do is come back. When you come back, good things happen.
Yes,
Really.
sir.
You know?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, thank you for showing up. You're charged with criminal trespass. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and/or a $2,000 fine. We have not found probable cause. We have to do probable cause because it has not been found yet.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. We have already appointed your lawyer, so just hang tight. We're going to find out what happened real quick, okay?
Okay.
Please.
On January 13th, 2025, an officer was working his extra job at LBJ Hospital in Harris County, Texas. The officer was advised by a security officer of a trespasser who refused to leave the property. The complainant advised the defendant was discharged from the hospital at approximately 9 p.m. and was advised to leave. The defendant left at that time. The defendant returned to the hospital at 11 p.m. and caused a disturbance by refusing to leave. The defendant was asked to leave the hospital again and refused to leave.
So he goes to the hospital the first time.
Yes.
They told him to leave?
Yes, he was discharged around
They give him a
9.
trespass warning. Because I can just tell anybody to leave. But if I'm trespassing them, that's something different. You know?
The summary does not say that it was a trespass warning. It just said he was just told to
You
leave.
ask him to leave, okay. You're not telling him not to come back. Did they tell him that he couldn't come back? Because that's a big difference.
It just says the defendant was asked to leave the hospital again and he refused to leave. It doesn't say that he was told not
Now,
to.
if you refuse to leave when they're telling you to leave, that's a problem. But so he left the first time.
He left the first time. Then he came back at 11 p.m. They told him to leave the property at that time and he refused to leave.
Yeah, that's a problem. And then obviously, did the cops get there and then they arrest him?
I don't know. There's no discovery yet. There's no body cam or dash cam footage to review yet.
What hospital is this?
The Lyndon B.
Okay.
Johnson Hospital, yes.
Okay. Mr. Addison, I'm going to find that there's enough probable cause to go forward. The only thing I'm going to ask you is please do not go back to LBJ Hospital.
Okay.
If you go back to the hospital, they're going to try to have you arrested again.
Okay.
You need to find a new one.
Okay.
And when you go, be nice.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Being nice and being patient goes really a long way, you know?
Yes, sir.
We've given you a lawyer. The only other thing I'm asking you to do is stay in contact with her, and she will tell you when you have to come back, if you have to come back, okay?
Okay.
Just stay in touch with her and everything will go well,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
And just don't go back.
Yes, sir.
Do you mind filing that, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whatever you guys need, we'll just give you a reset. We'll waive the appearance and then you're good.
Better wait the chance. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
You want to do what?
I'll talk to you next time.
Okay. Yeah.
So I have Lori assigned to the case.
I'm just stepping in for Lori today.
Okay, got it. Okay, great. Thanks.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content.